Welcome back to Trend Cars, the place where we bring you the most exciting updates about the future of automobiles, luxury machines, and concept vehicles that break every boundary of imagination. If you're passionate about innovation, speed, design, and luxury, make sure you stay tuned because today we are diving into something so wild, so unexpected, and yet so unbelievably fascinating. Imagine the world's fastest, most luxurious car brand stepping into the world of motorhomes. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a creation that seems straight out of a futuristic dream but is very real, very ambitious, and very Bugatti. Bugatti has always been a brand that defines the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Known for icons like the Chiron and Veyron, their vehicles are not just cars but rolling pieces of art fused with unmatched performance. But the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome takes this philosophy to a whole new level. This isn't just about transporting you from one destination to another. This is about transforming the journey itself into an experience of elegance, performance, and futuristic living on wheels. The first thing that will leave you speechless is the exterior design. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't look anything like your traditional motorhome or RV. It carries the DNA of a Bugatti hypercar. The signature horseshoe grille has been reimagined in larger proportions, giving the vehicle an aggressive yet refined face. Aerodynamics play a key role here, with flowing curves, sharp lines, and active aerodynamic components that adjust to reduce drag and improve stability on the highway. The body uses ultra-lightweight carbon fiber and titanium composites, keeping the weight as low as possible for a vehicle of this size. The result is a motorhome that doesn't just look futuristic but also performs like nothing else in its class. Speaking of performance, let's talk about what's under the hood. Bugatti couldn't just put a standard RV engine into this beast. Instead, they developed a hybrid powertrain combining a quad-turbo W16 engine with advanced electric motors. The combined output is rumored to be over 2,000 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with the kind of power most supercars can only dream of. With this setup, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome can achieve blistering acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, something unheard of in the world of motorhomes. Its top speed is electronically limited for safety, but insiders say it could easily cross 150 miles per hour if unleashed. Of course, Bugatti also focused on ride comfort, using an advanced adaptive suspension system that adjusts in real time, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising through city streets or crossing long stretches of highway. But performance is only half the story. Step inside, and you'll see why this machine is being called the ultimate land yacht. The interior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome redefines luxury travel. The cabin is designed with a perfect balance of futuristic technology and handcrafted elegance. Premium leather, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and crystal accents dominate the space. The lighting system adapts to mood and time of day, creating an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a vehicle. The living area features modular seating that transforms from plush couches into dining or sleeping arrangements at the push of a button. A panoramic smart glass roof gives you a view of the sky while automatically adjusting its tint to block excessive sunlight. The motorhome is equipped with a fully connected digital interface, controlled by voice, gestures, or even your smartphone. Every surface, from the dining table to the mirrors, can double as a smart screen, giving you entertainment, navigation, and real-time vehicle data. One of the highlights is the master bedroom suite. Bugatti didn't just design a sleeping area, they created a sanctuary. A king-size memory foam bed with temperature control, soundproofing technology, and an integrated projection system means you can literally watch movies on the ceiling while lying in bed. The bathroom is equally jaw-dropping, with marble finishes, rainfall showers, and a smart water recycling system to ensure luxury doesn't compromise sustainability. Of course, the kitchen is designed for those who want the best. High-end appliances, smart induction cooking, and even a robotic assistant chef make preparing meals a futuristic experience. Imagine being able to ask your kitchen to cook a perfect steak while you relax in the lounge. That's the kind of convenience Bugatti is bringing to the motorhome world. Technology doesn't stop at luxury. Safety is paramount. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome features an AI-powered driving assistant capable of semi-autonomous travel. Advanced sensors, radar, and cameras create a 360-degree awareness of the surroundings, ensuring safe lane changes, adaptive cruising, and automatic braking when needed. The AI also learns your driving habits, adjusting suspension, throttle response, and even the cabin atmosphere based on your preferences. It's like having a personal chauffeur who knows exactly how you like to travel. Now, let's talk exclusivity. Bugatti has made it clear that the 2026 motorhome is not going to be mass-produced. This is a bespoke creation aimed at the ultra-wealthy, with only a handful of units expected to be built each year. Prices are projected to start at an eye-watering amount that could exceed several $1,000,000. But then again, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of ultimate luxury, engineering, and status. What makes the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome so fascinating is how it represents a shift in how we view travel. It's no longer about simply getting from one place to another. It's about enjoying every moment of the journey in absolute comfort, style, and performance. It's about turning heads not just when you arrive at your destination but from the very moment you start the engine. It's about merging the worlds of hypercars and luxury living into one seamless masterpiece. For those who can afford it, owning this motorhome is not just about transportation, it's about owning a piece of the future. A vehicle that embodies the spirit of Bugatti while pushing the limits of what a motorhome can be. It's ambitious, bold, and unlike anything the automotive world has ever seen. So, whether you're a car enthusiast, a lover of luxury, or simply fascinated by futuristic design, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a glimpse into a world where imagination knows no boundaries. It's proof that Bugatti is not afraid to reinvent itself, to step into new territories, and to create something truly extraordinary. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trend Cars for more groundbreaking updates on the vehicles shaping our future. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay passionate, stay curious, and keep dreaming big. If you're passionate about innovation, speed, design, and luxury, make sure you stay tuned because today we are diving into something so wild, so unexpected, and yet so unbelievably fascinating. Imagine the world's fastest, most luxurious car brand stepping into the world of motorhomes. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a creation that seems straight out of a futuristic dream but is very real, very ambitious, and very Bugatti. Bugatti has always been a brand that defines the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Known for icons like the Chiron and Veyron, their vehicles are not just cars but rolling pieces of art fused with unmatched performance. But the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome takes this philosophy to a whole new level. This isn't just about transporting you from one destination